Hey guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for the continuous support and comments and phone calls. Today we're going to look into our new TMR machine, the 5275, which is a 2.5 ton machine that has been taking the wave across the island currently. This machine is ideal for medium to large scale farmers who are interested in producing a total mixed ration to feed their herd in the best delivery mechanism possible. And I can attest that this machine for the past 25 years has been the leading machine to drive milk production and even meat production across the globe, especially in North America. Let us talk about why this machine is so unique, the importance of this machine for the national ruminant sector going forward, and how we're going to infuse it to increase our productivity as farmers. This machine can be considered to be a relatively a medium-sized capital investment for your farm, including the additional infrastructure supported properly. However, it is a worthwhile investment, as we have seen where this return on investment has been less than 3 years based on a client experiment that we have done. Let us now speak to the features of this 5275 mixed wagon that makes it excellent for your farm. First, it's tractor driven, 45 horsepower, but we do have stationary types. It has a twin vertical auger allowing for the best mixing, and it's equipped with a computer and a scale device that allow you to do precision feeding. This machine improves your feed delivery and your feed management, which increases your profitability as your feed cost is the most expensive venture for a farm. The scale provides you to do precise feed mixing and adjustments also. And the twin auger mixer allows that homogeneous mix so the animals can get that balanced diet in one complete bite. Let us talk about phase and precision feeding. The TMR systems allow you to mix precise diet based on weights or based on percentage. We can even upload about 10 possible diets. So you could have a diet for your goats, a diet for your sheep, a diet for your cattle if you have a multifaceted farm, or we could have diets for the specific phases. You could have a diet for lactation animals, a diet for fattening animals, a diet for milking animals. And with all this said, this allows you to have precise diets for each phase, specific to a cost per head per animal, which I think is a very unique. The scales already come with pre-loaded ingredients across our globe. We can even adjust these ingredients over time. And the scale is simply hooked up to your tractor using some universal plugs, or you can make a conversion if required to ensure that you have the system set up properly and not have wires dangling from your tractor to the scale that can cause any hazards. Let us look into some additional features that can be found with the whole total mixed ration system that acts as a service to the technology. We have the NIR machine, and this allows us to quickly conduct testing of our ingredients inside the field that for a nutritionist like myself could simply make some adjustments to ensure we have a balanced diet. So the ingredients that can be tested, we can test a TMR diet after finish mixing. We can test raw ingredients, your grasses, silage or hay. We can test corn, wheat, and this is what is required to solve a lot of the problems that we have in here, especially when we look at dry matter issues. And the testing is very simple. It's a pretty costly device, but however, I believe that for the future for commercial farms, this is needed. Wet chemistry is very important. That can be conducted overseas, because we do work with Dairyland laboratories, or even the Borders Research Station can conduct some analysis for us. But this NIR machine is on-farm, on-the-go technology. That's amazing. I believe that we should look into this, and this is a service provided by the Hyper Division. The steps to use this machine is very simple, and it quickly reads out your nutrient analysis of your ingredients in about 5 minutes. I believe the adoption of this technology will change the landscape of the sector. Why I've seen this done in Israel. We actually went to a factory that manufactures local TMRs for the Israeli ruminant sector. And they actually do precision machines that actually collect their own ingredients, so you could eliminate the need for a front-end loader. Let's look at how they do their mixes.
To mix the hay and the premix together. Afterwards, they will bring in some wet byproducts, okay, and the silage. 2 silages, one is wheat, the other one is corn. 2/3 wheat, 1/3 corn, okay? Wagon is mixing. All that time we have mixed wagon. After that, we'll put again a bit more hay, around 30% of the amount. Okay? 70% of the amount needed will be put at the start. 30% at the end. Why? To create a bit of long fibers. Long fibers. Okay? And afterwards will be molasses and top stock oil, it depends. Okay, that will take around 15 minutes. At the end, another 5 minutes to mix it all and to get a mix which is similar. Questions?
I do hope that I see to how simple the mixes can be and some of the ingredients that can be used in the TMR formulations or in creating TMR diets. Thank you for following my YouTube video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.